Hi there. The next part of the National 5 course within Unit 2 is to work on solving equations and inequalities. Now, we have already done quite a good bit of solving equations, so because of the circumstances, I think it's only right that we take our time and we make sure that we have solving equations picture perfect for when we come back to school as normal. So in these videos I'm just going to take you through the recap of simple linear equations, and of course if you have any questions then please let us know. Okay, so example 1 here. So basic equation, one step equation, solve the equation x minus 5 is equal to 7. So the best way I think to solve it is just change side, change sign, take the minus 5 across, the minus 5 becomes a plus 5. So it's over here, so x is equal to 7 plus 5, which is 12. Okay, two-step equation, if we've got 4x plus 7 is equal to 15, we take the loose terms over first before we get to the x's, so 7 becomes a minus 7. So 4x is equal to 15 take away 7, which gives us 4x is equal to 8. Divide both sides by 2, so x has to be 2. Example C. To solve this, we need to expand the brackets first of all here. So I'm going to run the 4 through the bracket. So that's going to give me 4x plus 8 is equal to 12. Take the 8 across, so we get 4x is equal to 12 take away 8. So 4x is equal to 4. Divide both sides by 4, so we get x is equal to 1. I have taken a few more lines than I usually would, just to emphasise the various points. If you can solve that in 3 lines instead of 4, then so be it. Okay, the next example we've got here is we want to solve the equation 20 minus 3 bracket x plus 2 is equal to 8. So, important thing to watch here is, yeah, I need to solve the equation. The x is inside the bracket, so I need to expand the brackets, but it's what is keeping that bracket in place. What's the number that's actually multiplying the bracket? Hopefully you've noticed that it's minus 3 that's multiplying the bracket and not just 3. Remember, the sign always goes before the number. So in order for me to solve this, I need to run the minus 3 through the bracket and make sure I multiply everything inside the bracket by minus 3. So 20 stays on the outside. 20 has nothing to do with that bracket. 20 stays there. Minus 3 times x is minus 3x. Minus 3 times 2 gives us minus 6 is equal to 8. Let's tidy up some terms. So that gives me 20 minus 6 is minus 3x equals 8. 20 minus 6 is 14. So I get 14 minus 3x is equal to 8. Take the 14 across, so we get minus 3x is equal to 8 take away 14. So we're at the stage where we've got minus 3x is equal to minus 6. Now, I'm very aware that you will have taken a different route to get to that stage. That's not a problem, whatever one works best for you. But we've got a stage now where we have minus 3x is equal to minus 6. An equation is not solved until we get the line positive x equals. We don't have that, we have minus 3, so I'm going to divide both sides by minus 3 here and get x is equal to minus 6 divided by minus 3, which from your rules of integers you'll know that x is equal to